Welcome to the Law Office of Brian Fagan podcast. Many people entering a divorce face a very specific fear, looking at a stack of bills and realizing their current skills won't cover the mortgage. There is a common assumption that the law will step in with a lifelong alimony check to maintain the marital lifestyle. But in a Texas courtroom, that scenario almost never happens. This brings us to the core question: is Texas an alimony state? The short answer is no. Texas guarantees no automatic payments and is notoriously difficult to secure post-divorce support. You won't find the word alimony in the Texas Family Code. Instead, the law uses the term spousal maintenance. It is a system built on exceptionally narrow eligibility requirements and strict limitations. Protecting your financial future starts with recognizing that in Texas, support is a high legal hurdle you must clear with evidence, rather than a right you are simply handed. Spousal maintenance consists of court-ordered periodic payments from the future income of one spouse for the support of the other. This support is rehabilitative. It is intended to be a temporary bridge, providing just enough time and resources for a spouse to gain the skills or employment necessary to support themselves. To even begin the conversation, you must pass a baseline financial test. The court requires proof that you lack sufficient property, including your share of the divided marital estate, to meet your minimum reasonable needs. If your assets can cover your basic housing, utilities, and food, the inquiry usually ends there. Even if you prove a financial deficit, the court cannot order maintenance unless you also fit into one of 4 specific legal categories. The most frequent path involves a marriage that lasted 10 years or longer, where the spouse seeking support truly cannot earn enough to cover those basic expenses. If the marriage was shorter than 10 years, you're generally ineligible unless you can prove a recent conviction for family violence, or a physical or mental disability that prevents work, or that you are the custodian of a child with a disability requiring substantial care. If you cannot prove that initial property deficit and provide evidence for one of those categories, the court must legally deny the request for support. If you are concerned about your eligibility or your potential obligations, visit us at brianfagan.com or call our office today for a confidential consultation. Once a spouse is found eligible, the law places a hard ceiling on how much they receive and how long the payments last. This chart demonstrates the monthly cap. A judge can only order payments up to $5,000 per month, or 20% of the payer's average monthly gross income. The award is clamped to whichever number is lower. The duration is also restricted. For marriages between 10 and 20 years, the limit is 5 years of support. Marriages between 20 and 30 years are capped at 7. Only marriages exceeding 30 years reach the maximum limit of 10 years. However, there is a way to move beyond these rigid court-ordered limits. This is contractual alimony. It is a private agreement negotiated between spouses as part of their settlement. Because it is a contract rather than a court order, it can last longer than 10 years or exceed the $5,000 monthly cap. While court-ordered maintenance provides a very narrow safety net, contractual alimony allows spouses to design a financial transition that actually fits their unique circumstances. Operating on a misunderstanding of these rules is a major risk in a Texas divorce. Relying on the hope of automatic support can lead to devastating financial surprises once the decree is signed. In this system, support is temporary, capped at a specific amount, and requires documented proof of a financial gap that many people are not prepared to demonstrate in court. Because the standards are so high, securing your rights, or defending against an unfair claim, requires an attorney who understands the math behind the law. Making a mistake when proving minimum reasonable needs or poorly drafting a contractual alimony agreement can result in permanent financial loss. The Law Office of Brian Fagan specializes in these complex calculations and high-stakes negotiations, ensuring your financial interests are protected from day one. Subscribe to this podcast for more insights, share this episode with those navigating a divorce, and visit our website or call us directly to start your consultation. At the Law Office of Brian Fagan, we help families find freedom and peace of mind through education.